Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video. So today I'm gonna share with you how you can change your Google Keep Notes and list background color. Okay, so go to your Keep Notes, Google Keep Notes, go Google Workshop. So I just take the new one. So you can see title and note, but you can see it's the black background, but I want to make it other. I want to change this background like other color. Then here you can see the option color plate. So simply click color plate. Then you will get more color. So if you choose anyone like black, red, purple, green, magenta, so anything you choose, and after that just type anywhere on the screen. Then you can see that your background has changed. So okay friend, today is no more, and thank you for watching this video.